iba't ibang selebrasyon ng Philippine Independence Day sa Amerika, makikita kung sino-sino ang mga interesadong maging Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Yong Chavez tells us at the LA celebration, one young presidential wannabe made an appearance for potential voters.
More than 2,000 PhilAms took the time to celebrate the Philippine Independence Day here in Los Angeles. And although the event is very far from the homeland, Philippine politics is a favorite topic among the attendees. As in many Filipino events, there was chaos, celebrity sighting, singing and dancing, and of course, politics. The most prominent 111th Philippine Independence Day soiree in Southern California broke the record for the number of participants this year, its organizers said.
For 8 months, we've been doing this event, and I'm so happy that it's really a success.
Philippine Senator Francis Escudero's speech was the highlight of the event.
Sino mang magsasabi sa akin na ako ay pag-asa ng bayan?
It is the rising political star's introduction to Southern California, the area which has the most number of overseas absentee voters in the U.S. He has a message to all Filipinos abroad.
Parinig nila ang kanilang mga boses magsalita kung kinakailangan sumigaw para batikusin at pansinin kung ano ang mali at pagkukulang at makilahok sa darating na halalan sa pamamagitan ng pagrehistro at pagboto.
The 39-year-old senator said that he will make a decision if he will run for president later this year. Department of Energy Secretary Angelo Reyes was also at the event. He admitted his intent to run for public office next election.
Yeah, most probably, for some position.
PhilAms say that getting to know would-be candidates is a good thing.
There is this sea change that's ongoing right now, and there are a lot of very young leaders who are very passionate about what they do, about bringing changes in the Philippines, and they have very good reputations.
It's only now that I feel that it's very important to really vote, because the current problems in the Philippines really is very political, and we need to really make the right choice for our leaders.
Overseas voters have until August to register. The Philippine consulate in LA is mounting a full-blown effort to get Pinoys to get involved in the upcoming Philippine elections. PhilAms at this event were outspoken with their political views, but it remains to be seen whether this will translate to votes come election time. Yong Chavez, ABS-CBN News, Los Angeles.